Good morning, guys. So we are actually in Chernihiv at the Repair Together camp. I was here about a year ago helping set up. And these guys, hello. Everybody just arrived. How you guys doing?
Hey.
You doing good? These guys arrived from Germany by train. You just came straight. Should I give them a ride?
Actually, we came from Brussels.
Ah, even further. Okay. How long are you staying for?
10 days.
10
Okay.
days.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, welcome. Hope you guys will like it.
Yeah.
I hope so too.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, hey, thanks so much for the ride.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. Bitte schön. Alsjeblieft. So, if you guys don't remember what Repair Together is, they're an organization, like a volunteer organization, who has been rebuilding these houses in this village here in Chernihiv, which is about 2 hours north of Kyiv. And they started basically right after the deoccupation, when the Russian troops were kicked out. They came and started helping. As we're getting closer to the village. This place is really badly damaged. I think this is a cleanup crew to try to restore some order. Oh my gosh. Really bad damage, but you can tell they're still living here. Here's part of her prosthetic leg. God, windows are all destroyed. Look at those guys. People are living here. So they can get some rest in their house. And now they have a whole kind of camp set up where volunteers have been living here for the past 6 months, I think.
We took Johnny's car.
Oh, lunchtime. It's perfect timing. Hello.
Hi, Johnny.
Yes. What is your name?
Nice to meet you, Svetlana.
Sarah. Oh, you look very different in person.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, you look much younger.
Okay.
All right. So here's the charging tree, guys. Very fire safe, I'm sure. And here's the tent village. This is kind of cool, right? Look at this. Wow, this is actually quite beautiful. So these guys are gonna be here. Actually, we're gonna have lunch and then they'll set up. Yeah, let's go. Hello.
Тарілочку, будь ласка. Смачно. Стаканчик, пам'ятаю.
So now's a good time to explain the difference between Repair Together Toyokas and the In Boots. The footage here is from last year. This is a much bigger event. It's every weekend. It's usually just for 2 days. And you get tons of people, maybe 100 people that come and just help fix something for a day or two and then go back to their normal lives. But the program that I'm part of now is called In Boot. I think it stands for International Builders something. And this is where you can spend a week or a month. And best of all, it's completely free. It includes all food, accommodation, and you get to learn or practice a trade. So even if you've never built a house before, you actually learn how to actually build and not just repair. All right, after a tasty lunch, it's time to get to work, guys. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is dropping off these guys at the job site, and then me and Nick, I guess, in the gym, really will shopping to buy some supplies. So, because I'm one of the few people with a car here, I'm actually going to be doing a little driving. Abusha. Dobry dzień. I don't know if it's the same one, but it looks like the same babusha, I remember. So this babusha is helping us now. I'm pretty sure it's the same one from last year.
No, she said we should wait.
Oh, okay.
She's gonna
Should ask. Okay, so guys, what are you doing now?
carry some bricks.
You can see some layers of bricks right beneath the door, and we have to move them to make some way to get to the construction site.
Ah, okay. Okay, easy.
That's number 4, but it's like 6.
Okay, they met their master? I don't know.
Очень хорошие тут и фрукты.
Що?
Їм шості треба.
Ну шостий таке, у нас же нема кирпичей, на путі нічого немає.
Так, а що у них?
Та бабушка от напротив.
From the other side.
Side.
That's also her house, which is
Also damaged.
Yeah, but it's now
Бабушки
reconstructed.
теж був повністю
Окей.
згорів. Да.
А второй разбили.
Хто ж їм помог? Хто вам?
Мені допомагав,
Волонтери?
мені давав матеріал,
Волонтери.
а часть я платила своїми деньгами,
Да,
що
да.
допомагали.
Ну так.
20,
Стройматеріал давали?
30 тисяч веш стоїть. І 45 тисяч я доплачувала за матеріал, за дерево. І сину немає, я одна. Хоч що хочете, я роблю. І от багато от мені
Там ще
вже.
в середині їй одну кімнату не зробили в середині.
She lost her husband and the son, and the house was burned, and she paid all the money.
my
Now she's
God.
alone. Yeah.
О, як виживаєте?
Так називають, бабушку.
Одна вона, одна сама. Нікому допомогти, нікому. Одна я. Нікому допомогти. Дитинка сама все вже. Мені 86-й год уже пішов.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave these guys here. I think they're gonna be moving some bricks. Sorry we have to go, but good luck.
Yeah.
Let us know how it goes. Alright. Let's go. So we're driving to Geneve. I think this is one of the buildings that was destroyed during the war, so we're gonna be voting on now. This beautiful church at the end of the road. Alright, here we are at V Pack Service. And some Sintieki.
I need to hook up the battery system for this.
So while he buys all the fittings, I'm gonna dream about some good tools. I'm surprised I have Makita here, guys. This is good stuff. It's not like the black and orange stuff that you would normally find.
They did not have everything I need.
Okay, so we'll go to the other spot.
Yeah, it's actually near the Hollywood. The spot.
I never thought I'd be showing these type of stores, but that's what we're doing, guys. Alright, what do we got? So we're getting everything we need here. Alright guys, so we're just gonna put a little piping into the Cayenne. This is my new job, guys. I'm a tradesman, I'm a journeyman now. Let's see if this will fit, guys. Somehow it fit, guys. Look at this. Porsche Cayenne, best car for trades. I'm shocked that fit. Bye-bye, thank you, Jaku.
Bye.
I hope. Are we coming back again tomorrow?
Probably.
Oh, God. Okay. That's good.
Счастливо. Right. We're in good with those guys.
Yeah. Feel that.
Oh yeah.
How nice is that?
We're going skiing.
This is the best car.
It's pipe.
This car was made for carrying pipes, for laying pipe.
Yep. Plumbing truck.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna be a little bit late because we just got pulled over for speeding, guys. That's how it goes. Guys, so we're waiting for the cops to fill out some forms to give me the ticket. It's only 340 hryvnia, it's like $10, but it's taking a while. I'm not sure what's happening. It feels kind of weird, but it might just be because they don't know how to ticket a foreigner. We'll see. There, he's back. Oh yeah? Okay. So, very nice. Got this. Yeah, no problem. Easy. Let's go. Provide us this bridge that they recently blew up. It's crazy in America now. Alright, so we're dropping off Jim at this camp to fix up, or this house, to fix up this house. Oh, guys, I feel like I've been just driving the whole day, but finally we picked another guys. We're back. Drop this off the gym. So here's one of the job sites. Hello, hello. What are you working on? Fixing the doors in. Yeah, I'll probably come back another day. All right.
Yeah, that might be better.
We'll come back. Okay.
Here, come on.
Okay.
So this house is bombed. It's been abandoned for 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
I get a tank blew up back here
Uh-huh.
in the backyard.
Really? Wow.
And there's shrapnel hit it.
Okay.
But these
Is it cracked?
These,
But that was working. It's just cold.
registers, yeah, they're cracked and trash because
This is nice, though.
everything throws.
And that actually works. But that's just a glass one they put in after,
Yeah, so
or
this is the only room that's got some
heat? Okay.
and people want to live here immediately as soon as possible.
Okay.
And I think they do sleep here at night.
So
So
he's put the door on. Uh-huh.
and it's gonna be in real nice shape when we
Okay.
get done here.
All right. Cool.
So that's the dime tour.
All right, I'll come back and check on the
There's
progress.
plenty to look at.
Just cleaning the kitchen. Thank you, Diakuyu. All right. Good luck. Have fun.
Thanks,
Okay,
Michael. See
yep.
you tonight.
All right. So I picked up these guys as well. Ready to go back to camp? How was your day?
Quite exhausting. I think we were like 21 hours in the train.
Yeah, then the moving
now-
bricks.
No moving some
work.
bricks.
Well, let's go back for some dinner then.
Yeah.
Yes. We are back at camp, and I see the cooks. Fan and flames. Ooh. Can you show me what you guys cooked?
No.
It's a secret. We need to wait. Okay. We'll ruin the surprise. Oh, okay. It's okay. Let's check in the kitchen. Oh, okay. Hello, hello. Let's see what they're making here.
Hey, I'm making dinner.
And what is it?
That's meat,
Oh.
vegetables,
Uh-huh.
and sauce. Sour cream sauce.
Okay, I'm excited
and
for it.
tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I hope it works.
I'll tell you. I'm sure it's gonna be good.
I'm not a really good cooker, I must say.
Okay. Oh no.
But, well, I'm trying to.
As long as you don't keep the plastic in the pot, that's okay. Oh, it's difficult. It's lots of work, a good exercise. I was thinking, how are you going to do this? Mhm. Wow. All right, guys. How was your work day?
Cool.
Good, yeah. What do you want from us here?
I don't know. What did you guys work on today?
We were preparing a site for the foundation to be poured.
Okay, oh, nice.
So we were just moving some sand in and some dirt, moving some stuff around.
And anyone you working with someone here?
Yeah, together.
Yeah, us four were together.
Okay, oh cool.
John, what did you do today?
Oh, you know, operations manager. You know.
Read a couple of chapters.
Yeah. On ops, you know.
Okay.
Someone's gonna do it. You know?
Someone's gonna do it. All right. Well, I'm ready for dinner, you guys. So let's go. All right. These guys are doing a little work, and we're gonna be here by the fire. First fire of the trip. Now it feels like camping, guys.
Just like summer camp.
For adults. I worked at a summer camp in the States for a couple of summers.
What was your job?
I was the escape room mastermind.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm still here at camp, as you can see, but I wanted to add this to the end of this video. First off, thank you for watching. And as you can see, this camp has a lot more room for a lot more people, and they desperately need volunteers right now. So if you wanted to come to Ukraine, this is a good opportunity because you'll be with other foreigners. They'll help you kind of arrange everything, food, accommodation, everything is completely for free in exchange for you volunteering your time and your energy to help rebuild. You actually don't even need any experience. They have volunteer foremans. Right now, there's a really cool Irish guy that is here with a lot of experience that's helping everybody. Shout out to Owen. Jim, as you saw in this video, was helping out, but unfortunately he just left. But they have more experienced volunteers, especially, and some of the Ukrainian guys as well. But you can come without any experience at all, and actually, as long as you're staying for a minimum of 4 nights, they are happy to teach you. They don't want to teach someone that's just here for a day or two, but if you stay a week, if you stay 2 weeks, they're more than happy to teach you. It's actually a good way to learn a skill while, you know, getting to meet some of the people in the countryside here in the Oblast of Chernihiv, and also to meet some cool people here at the camp and eat actually pretty good food. So stay tuned for the next video, but I'm just putting it out there right now. If you want to volunteer, or if you want to donate to help them fund the other volunteers and rebuild these houses, please do so. The link will be in the description below. It's Repair Together, and this is the Inut. This is like the international building unit or something, or whatever it's called. But really, really cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we won't have another campfire tonight, because that was really cozy, guys. But this isn't bad either, to be honest.
Ате пісню будеш завжди біля мене. Як ці пісні виїзді потоками, боками навесні.